So to save it, you go to File, Save As, save on your computer, and then name it, put your name, collage 110. Change the format if you're going to be turning things into me instead of a Photoshop file format, which is the native file format for Photoshop. Saves all your layers. The other thing that you can use is a TIFF, which allows you to go from platform to platform. It will save all your layers and all the work that you've done. So I would rather have everyone save it as a TIFF and turn that TIFF into me when you're done, but you can save it as a PSD on your computer. So either or, PSD or TIFF, and then hit save. And okay. So after you've saved it, I would search for more images and find something else in there. Maybe I would put like some type of video game image in there. Maybe like Solid Snake from Metal Gear, because my favorite video game is Metal Gear. Maybe the Terminator 2 T-800 endoskeleton, because my favorite movie is Terminator 2 Judgment Day. Or, I like movies. Anything that, that has something to do with movies, you can put in there. It could be anything. Books, because you like reading, and so forth. So you need 10 images, 8 irregular, 2 marquee. But with some of these images, at least 5 of them have to have layer styles. And a good example of a layer style being added to an image that changes the appearance dramatically by making a few clicks is going to be something like this corn logo here. You'll notice that it's very flat. And if you double click to bring up the layer styles, just double click on the thumbnail, bring this up, just by putting a bevel and emboss changes the appearance dramatically, even putting a stroke on it. I'm just keeping everything default, but I could change the colors if I wanted to. Make sure you click on the word, not the checkbox. And then maybe a drop shadow. Play around with the distance and the spread of that drop shadow. There you go, make it really pop out. And then I'll just leave it like that. Just by adding 3 layer styles, I was able to change the appearance of this logo very dramatically. Might be able to do it to the Cubs logo as well. Double click, maybe put some type of stroke around it, maybe a red stroke. Maybe see what happens with the bevel and emboss. Let the size, the depth. Gives a little bit of dimension, and hit OK. Just by adding a couple layer styles, it changed the appearance dramatically. But you have to do that to 5 separate layers. So get all your stuff done, get all your images in, and then do the layer styles last. And that is your project. You are to build a collage. And I hope you have fun with it.